Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on System Settings. After that, just select one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. If you are using Trick's navigation, you need to choose Settings and change it in order to use one-handed mode. Then click on the switcher again. Now follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, it's on. If you wish to go back, click on this area or swipe it up. If you wish to disable this mode completely though, click on the same, now green switcher. Then go back, and if you just changed your navigation method, tap on System Navigation and click on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!